Hello, unbox my cookware with me. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So today I don't know if you can tell, but I'm sitting on the floor to do this video, and there are just some days that your setup is not set up in, your camera is not cameraing. This is one of those days, so I'm just going to show you guys this new cookware that I recently got, the Caraway cookware. So a little bit of background about why I got this cookware. I've actually always heard about the Caraway cookware I've heard about it for the past, I think, maybe 2-3 years now. I was a bit intrigued because of the fact that they were always mentioning non-toxic, and there has been, some people coming out to say how that you should be careful about the cookware you're using, that it could contain some toxic elements, especially when you're using it on high heats. So you want to be using cookware that doesn't release such toxic and cancerous chemicals. So since then I've been like, so this pot I'm using, I don't even know which chemical this pot is releasing when I fry something inside. Okay, I cannot even tell, I'm not sure. So since then I've been like, let me keep it in mind that one day, okay, I will go and get this Caraway cookware. And by the way, I don't even know if it's called Caraway or Caraway or Caraway. I don't know what it's called. Maybe I will check it out. Like, it's not like I've been interested to find out how it's actually been pronounced, but I've just been majorly intrigued by the fact that they emphasize that it is non-toxic, or that is what made me get this cookware. And so I'm going to be doing, I'm basically going to be unboxing this cookware for you guys to see what it looks like. Let's do this together. My goodness, can you guys see how this looks like? I think that it was so neatly packaged for sure. Like, the covers are being arranged separately. I find that really thoughtful and nice. Okay, let's go ahead. Whoa, this is so nice. So I got the navy blue cookware because I didn't want to have to deal with the drama of having cream colored cookware. So this is what the covers look like. Caraway sounds like it makes more sense. Caraway or Caraway. This looks nice though. so cute. Like, what? So I got the 4-piece cookware set. The specific type I got is the Navy Classic. There are other types on their website. I think they have the Ionics and the monochrome. It has a pan and lid storage solution. It's oven safe up to 550 degrees Fahrenheit. It's also non-stick, and yeah, you require less oil or butter for cooking. I ended up using this to make eggs in the morning. It was literally sliding off the surface of the pan. The cookware coating is free of PTFE, PFOA, PFAs, heavy metals. It looks like a nice set. So you guys, let me know what you think in the comments. Honestly, I love the cookware. I think it is really cute. It is just so clean. The interior looks really nice, the exterior as well. I was this close to getting the cream colored ones, but I decided, Susan, let's respect ourselves and start with the ones that, you know, the color will not start asking you questions in the future, like, why didn't you take care of me, you know, starts being very demanding of you. I'm literally looking at them from where I'm sitting right now, and I'm so excited to have gotten them. So what do you guys think? Do you guys think you would be getting this cookware soon? I would probably have a link to the cookware if you want to check it out to get for yourself as well. Let me know your thoughts about this cookware. What do you guys think about what you saw, about the packaging? Thank you for watching this video again. If you're yet subscribed, please subscribe, like right now as I'm looking at you. I talk about lifestyle, faith-based topics, and having a career in tech as well. So if you're interested in like topics like this, please subscribe to the channel, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.